In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Spotify to PS4, step-by-step guide. Before we begin, make sure your PS4 is powered on and connected to the internet. A stable connection is essential for the linking process to work smoothly. You'll also want your Spotify account ready, and for the best experience, use the same Spotify account on your phone and your console so everything stays in sync. From the PS4 home screen, head to the top row and open Settings. This is where you manage most of your console's system and account options. Take your time to navigate there. If you're new to the PS4 interface, it's the icon that looks like a toolbox or briefcase. Inside Settings, scroll down and select Account Management. Think of this as the hub for all things related to your PlayStation account and connected apps. Next, choose Link with Other Services. This menu shows a list of apps and platforms you can connect to your PS4 for a more seamless experience. From that list, select Spotify. Your PS4 will open the Spotify linking screen and get you ready to sign in. Now, sign into your Spotify account. You can enter your usual login details directly on the console. In some cases, you might be prompted to continue using another device. If you see that option, just follow the on-screen instructions and approve the link from your phone or computer. Keep your login information private and enter it only on trusted Spotify or PlayStation screens. Once you're signed in, confirm the link. You should see a success message letting you know your Spotify account is now connected to your PS4. That's all it takes to set things up. After linking, you can play music while gaming, which is great for customizing your atmosphere in single player titles. Open the Spotify app on your PS4 to browse, or start playback from your phone, and it will hand off to the console automatically. You can control play, pause, skip, and volume using your PS4 controller, or use your phone as a remote with Spotify Connect. Your playlists and library will appear instantly, so there's no need to rebuild anything. A couple of quick tips to keep everything running smoothly. Ensure your PS4 stays online for reliable control from your phone, and use the same Spotify account on every device to avoid confusion. If you don't hear music during a game, check the game's audio settings and your PS4's sound output to make sure background audio isn't muted. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.